the things you have to do as a head of school. You gotta take care of everybody, including the little baby birds.
But sometimes one head is not enough. Leadership is more than a title. It's a journey of learning, of growth, and of responsibility. In every handshake, in every decision, lies the opportunity to make a difference. Real leadership isn't about standing above others. It's about walking alongside, guiding, and learning from the path itself. True responsibility means seeing beyond the present moment, preparing for the unseen, and ensuring a future where others can thrive. In giving, we find the joy of connection, and in service, we discover the deeper meaning of leadership. Today, they learned that leading is not just about the choices we make, but the care we give.